Hey guys, my name is Susannah from the Good Property Company. I run this YouTube channel, so like and subscribe because we've got tons of playlists and great videos for you. But also, I run a fantastic company, the Good Property Company. We did £45 million worth of property. We're a deal sourcing company. We did joint ventures. We flipped. I built myself a large property portfolio, and I've got a fantastic website for you called thegoodpropertycompany.co.uk. So go on over. It's got everything you need to help you in property. Checklists. You've got packs. You've got 60-day academies. You've got webinars on demand. Everything you need. Okay. So today we're going to talk about how do you work with a moneymaker estate agent in the office and why would you want to. And I'm here in Barcelona because I live half my time in Barcelona and half my time in Bristol. Because why would you want to work with a moneymaker estate agent in the office? Because they're the deal makers. They're the ones that make things happen. They're the ones that are like, go, 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 go. Let's make this thing happen. Let's get the deal. Let's go. They're the ones for whom the pace of the deal, the speed of the deal is going to be a little bit more important than the exact logistics of the deal. And if you realize how much or how little estate agents get paid on commission, you'll know that for them, ladies, I just gave you a good view. I hope you enjoyed that. And some gents, you'll realise that for the estate agents to get paid, if they're going to increase the sale by 10 grand, they only get a tiny little bit extra of commission. So they're better off smashing out deals, getting them done, getting them turned over. Well, you need to identify them first. Yeah. So you do the trick of going into the estate agency and listening who's on the phone non-stop. You'll have some estate agents looking at their nails. You have some estate agents scrolling on their mobile phone, and you have some estate agents who are non-stop on their phone talking to their clients, talking to their investors. They're your deal makers. Secondly, while you're visiting the estate agent office, guess what you do? Do you mind awfully if I visit the bathroom? You don't need to go to the loo. What you want to do is go through the corridor and see where they've got all their whiteboards, and they'll almost certainly have a list of who's done what deal and where they are at on a monthly basis. You want to see the top dog, the high performers, the people who are doing deal after deal after deal, because they've got the heart, the energy, the drive, yeah? And if you want to be naughty, take a quick photo, but definitely take note of their name. And thirdly, if you're phoning up estate agents and you've got somebody who just doesn't really care about property, like write in your spreadsheet or write in your CRM system, Dave was really uninterested and fairly rubbish. Whereas if you've got Tony and you're like, man, Tony loves the area, he loves property, he loves the deal, he loves the hype, he loves the energy, then right, Tony's amazing. And just observe by their behaviour. So the next time you phone up, even though you've technically become Dave's client, you're like, can I speak to Tony, please? And Tony will be the one that you end up moving towards. And fourth, and obviously be careful in terms of safety on this one. I used to do it a lot, but I'm kind of quite a strong person, is when you found that person, the estate agency, and they may have rules and regulations that don't allow them to do this anymore, I used to meet them at their office and maybe book 3 or 4 viewings in a row. And then I'd be like, look, I'm not trying to be like saving pet people, but do you mind if I just jump in the car with you? The reason is you can talk to them the whole time then, get to know them, see their energy, find out what they know about the location. And then you end up being on their list of top deal makers so that they text you first with a deal. Because you know what their grandma does. They like playing the guitar. They've got kids or they don't have kids, or they love BMWs, or they like, I don't know, whatever, Paul Smith or whatever kind of clothing brand, they like holidaying in Dubai or Bali or wherever they like going. But also you've just engrossed yourself in a really energetic, driven, excited conversation about property in between times of visiting property, rather than following them in a car going, oh, this is all dead space, isn't it? So you've got 4 techniques of working with your high deal maker in the estate agent office, and it makes an enormous difference. Don't go with a computer says no, and I just need to look on Facebook, and I just want to check my nails person. Go with a high energy, high drive, high go for it, going places. But remember, those kind of people are going to get poached. So when they move estate agents, follow them, and you become one of their best clients, and they just phone you up and go, hey, I've got a deal for you. Like, brilliant, I'm in. Can I come and see it in half an hour? That's the kind of energy they want, and that's how you're going to get discounted deals. So I'm going to go and jump in and see you in a minute. Remember to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and remember also to have a good look at my website, thegoodpropertycompany.co.uk. Why? Because I've got tons of videos on there for everything you're going to need in property. So you can look at flipping, deal sourcing, getting started. There's on-demand. Do you want to buy one of his beach towels? On-demand webinars. There's packs and checklists you can download. So go and have a good explore, because it's going to be everything you need. And do you wonder if this guy's going to go swimming soon? Right now, he's just enjoying the view. See you guys soon. Good luck to you. Costings for a buy to sell. Get it wrong, lose money. Get it right, make a shed load. Free checklist. Go grab it now. Click on the link, download it.